everyone, welcome back to Litigation Help. My name is Hui-Litwin. Today I'm going to show you a quick tip on how to use CanLII to show you the latest changes in a particular piece of legislation. So for example, today I got a notification that says, oh, the Rules of Civil Procedure of Ontario has been amended, and I want to find out what these amendments are. So what you do is you just want to show you from the very, very beginning. So on Google, you just go on CanLII, of course, and then you hit that CanLII. And now you're onto the CanLII's homepage. So all you do is just go on in the document text bar, Rules of Civil Procedure, and you just click Enter to search, and it just comes up right away here. And there we go. Okay, so now your CanLII has brought you to the Rules of Civil Procedure document, and all you have to do is just go here to Versions. Click on Versions. Right. Okay, so on this page, all you have to do is just go like at the very top. It lists all the different versions from the most recent ones down. So you just click on the first two to compare the most recent version with the one that just passed, and you click Compare right here. And now CanLII will show you the one that just passed on the left-hand side, and the current version on the right-hand side. And all you need to do, then of course, just do a little scroll down the page to see what the changes are. So for example, here in Rule 1, under Rule 1, the citation application interpretation section, the paragraphs H, the past version was talking about leaving a copy of the document with a lawyer in the Crown, which is highlighted in brown. And then the new version, the change is highlighted in green. It says you're leaving the copy of document with an employee of the Crown as opposed to the lawyer in the previous version at the Crown Law Office. And it's just similarly, you can just kind of keep going down below to see what other changes are. Okay, that's it. So I hope that you found this little tip helpful. Please don't forget to subscribe so that you'll stay notified about upcoming videos. Thanks, and see you next time. Bye.